Hey guys, welcome back to CyberPeace TV. This is Weekly Wraps. Chinese hackers luring Indians using the Tata Motors brand. The research wing of New Delhi-based CyberPeace Foundation received some links via WhatsApp related to a free gift offer from Tata Motors collecting browser and system information as well as the cookie data from the users. The campaign seems to be an offer from Tata Motors but is hosted on a third-party domain instead of the official website of Tata Motors, which makes it more suspicious, the research team said in a statement. IETE, in collaboration with CPF, launches CyberPeace Center of Excellence at Ranchi. The Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, in collaboration with CyberPeace Foundation, launched IETE CyberPeace Center of Excellence at Ranchi, aimed at identifying key challenges faced by stakeholders in cyberspace and finding solutions to ensure a safe experience for all. India and Australia to expand cybersecurity cooperation. The two sides discussed a range of issues related to emerging technologies in the cyber domain during the first meeting of the India-Australia Joint Working Group on Cybersecurity Cooperation, according to the Ministry of External Affairs statement. New Chrome zero-day bug under active attacks. Update your browser ASAP. The Internet Services Company has rolled out an urgent update to the browser to address 14 newly discovered security issues, including a zero-day flaw that it says is being actively exploited in the wild. Tracked as CV2021-30551, the vulnerability stems from a type confusion issue in its V8 open source and JavaScript engine. Sergey Gluzhinov of Google Product Zero has been credited with discovering and reporting the flaw. TikTok updates its privacy policy to collect users' biometric data. Popular short-form video sharing service TikTok quietly revised its privacy policy in the US, allowing it to automatically collect biometric information such as face prints and voice prints from the content its users post on the platform. We may collect biometric identifiers and biometric information as defined under US laws, such as face prints and voice prints from your user content. Where required by law, we will seek any required permissions from you prior to any such collection, the ByteDance-owned company said in a newly introduced section called Image and Audio Information. That is all from this week's Weekly Wraps. Thank you for watching.